Hey guys, this is Nate from 907, and today we had the opportunity to sit down with Tyson, the winner of the 2019 ITI 350 race. Let's take a look at Tyson's bike. Tyson is running the 907 Carbon Lynx. It's a full carbon frame and fork with mounts for all sorts of different bags. And as you can see, Tyson has made good use of that here. For his wheels, he's running DT Swiss 350 hubs laced to head Big Deal carbon rims. For the tires, he's got 45 North Husker Dews, the large version of the Husker Dew, the 4.8. For his drivetrain, he's running SRAM XX1 Eagle. Really nice shore shifting 1x12 stuff from SRAM. For his brakes, he's running a Magura, which is a really nice, reliable hydraulic brake for winter and cold temperatures. Let's check out some of his ITI specific equipment on here. So I guess we can start here at the front. What's going on here at the front?
Quick access, bags of food.
So that's the first bag there, this red one. What's behind that? What's in this?
0 degrees sleeping bag in there. It's kind of my backup.
Cool.
Things go wrong.
What are you running for your light?
It's a Lupine Pico. It's older one. It's 500 lumens, max power. I didn't have to go there very much, but it's so nice to have real light out there.
What sort of pogies are these? What sort of pogies are you running?
Apocalypse Design, which is kind of family business. A couple modifications that are kind of fleece lined.
Cool.
They're bolted on the end instead of looped in the inside. So pretty secure, nice and warm. I run 2 feed bags, one sweet, one salty.
Let's take a look inside, see what sort of goodies you're usually eating.
These are the Sour Patch ones. Those are sawed out. They're all
Nice.
surface dip.
Oh yeah, you already ate them all.
Oh, they're so good. The peanut butter filled
Ooh, some pretzels, nice.
Cheez-Its. But the Cheez-Its got oil into the bottom, which is kind of annoying.
What kind of frame bag is that?
It's my own, I sewed it up. It's my own design. Fully bolt on. There's actually carbon sheets in here that hold it under the frame. And then I put a handle on there just to pick up some spare hat.
Yeah. Oh.
Battery for the light. A little bit more food. I've got the wire going through the frame bag and up to the light. Got some repair tape for frame bag or jackets and stuff.
Get like a little tear, you want to be able to fix it.
Hand warmer, warmer.
Always good.
Some fire starter stuff. We have another pocket over here.
Oh, another pocket.
I always travel with 2 pumps. Multi-tool, knife, pliers.
Pretty much the main bag, it looks like, where you're keeping all the stuff you don't need, like, right away, but maybe. What's this cool little bag behind your seat post there?
It's kind of a concept I came up with a few weeks ago and decided to make it. It's not totally refined. This is kind of version 1. I did have a bunch of emergency supplies in there that my spare light and just stuff that I assumed I wasn't going to need to touch. So we got a jacket. If it was slower, I would have filled that up and run and wouldn't have to worry about melting water. That was my water melting solution. My spare light, which also runs on AA, so I could basically just keep everything AA's. Wind pants that are super light and kind of pack away. I can pull them on over whatever footwear I've got. I've got my wiggy waders in case there was a rumor that there could be some overflow. Neat stuff that I carried for 300 miles that I didn't touch.
Oh. Well, cool. Thanks for showing us, Tyson. And I know that for a lot of people who don't do races this long, it's kind of just a mystery what you need to bring.
I can go a bit lighter.
Oh, but you're erring on like the safe side. Yeah, just because you don't want to get stuck if it's really bad. A lot of people don't know what goes into doing such a long ride, so it's going to be really cool for everyone to see what it takes. Congratulations on your finish. Awesome race.
You never pushed out of a ring pass.
It's like 48 or, something like that.
It's not that bad. It's not like these guys that probably like 90 pounds.
Yeah.